Jean-Alain here. Today we shall review a series of wonderful yoga movements that has been practiced for generations in traditional yoga that allows the body the freedom in clearing toxins and assimilating the nutrients to the best of its ability. Now these movements are called Salute to the Sun, or in Sanskrit, Surya Namaskara. Now there are many variations, but today I will share with you a gentle, easy variation so that you can practice it, and if you're comfortable, utilize it on a daily basis to achieve the best. Now remember, whenever you're moving the body into an extension position, you inhale. Whenever you're folding the body in a flexion position, to exhale. Thus it's easier. So when you inhale, you're moving up. Whenever you're folding, you're breathing out. We need to make sure that we're breathing correctly, diaphragmatically, and encourage the entire lungs to be active. We are aiming at the same time to make sure that the joints are healthy to allow the synovial fluid to hydrate the cartilage, thus the joints can move freely. We're aiming to make sure we have correct bone density, correct muscle alignment to allow each fiber to glide, and the fascia that holds the muscle fibers and muscles together to remain healthy, to allow each organ to flush out toxins, to assimilate nutrients. We wish to make sure the nervous system has clear communication between the body and the brain, as well as we want to make sure the endocrine glands regulate their hormones correctly. Thus, this is one of the practices that adds to the entire Hatha Yoga practice. So let's begin. Stand up and shake the body out. Now, when appropriate, inhale, sweep your arms up. Stretch as high as you can. Then as you exhale, ease your palms towards the heart in the prayer position as we begin. Now let's begin. Exhale, curl your toes under. Curl your tailbone under. Activate your thighs. Ease the shoulders back, bring a positive inner focus within, and let's begin. Exhale. On the in-breath, sweep your arms up as high as possible. Lean back. When you're ready, exhale, bend the knees for comfort. Circle your hands beside your feet, fingers in line with your toes. Then, when suited, look at your knees, hunch your back. Next, raise the chin as you inhale. Push the tailbone back. Be aware of the right leg. Gently move your right leg back. Then lower the right knee down. Push firm into the left thigh with your belly. Then appropriately rest your palms, straighten the back knee, place both feet back into what we call a plank. Then when suited, delicately lower the knees, hunch your back as much as possible to your heels, remember to breathe. Now aim to slide your belly as close to the floor as possible. When appropriate, slide forward. When appropriate, lay down, uncurl your toes, raise your palms and slide your thumbs to the armpits. Then pull the shoulders back and hold for a few moments. When suited, release your palms gently, push, come up into a cat. Now hunch your back. When suited, dip your back, remember to breathe correctly. And curl your 10 toes, push your tailbone to the ceiling. Look at your knees as we aim to straighten them as much as possible. Now notice your right knee. Look up, bend the right knee. There's a space between your thumbs. Place the right foot there. Then push firm into your thigh. When suited, breathing, back foot forward. Gently look at your knees, hunch your back. Dip your back, push the tailbone back, and when ready, inhale, sweep those arms up towards the back, overhead as you straighten the knees. Suitably lean back, gently stretch, and as you exhale, ease the palm back to an easy prayer position at your heart. Then gently release and shake out. This is how simple and easy these movements are, but it has a profound benefits upon the entire body if it's practiced daily. We always recommend minimum twice, meaning the first time the right leg, the second time the left leg. Enjoy this amazing day, and always remember, you have an amazing mind that has unlimited potential, so always remember to smile. See you next time.